The biggest difference between concat and concatenate in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel is that concat only allows you to combine or concatenate two values, whereas concatenate allows you to combine or concatenate multiple values, as many as you need. So here in column E, you see that with concatenate, we're able to combine the words Google and Sheets together. Whereas for using the concatenate formula, we're able to combine Google Sheets is fun all together. Now, everything is jumbled together. There are no spaces, and there's a way around that. So what we can do is in column F, we can make sure that it is written as it should look with a space in between each word. So what we can do is we start off with the equal sign. We do concat, click on the function. We select the first value, so Google, and then we can do and then double quotes, a space, double quotes, and then we move on to the second value, which is Sheets. So we click on the cell that Sheets is in, which is B1, and then close the function. Now it is appearing as it should be. We can do the same here with concatenate. So equals concatenate. And then the first part, so string one is Google and double quotes, space, double quotes, string two, Sheets and double quotes, space, double quotes. Moving on to what would be string three. As you can see, the three dots here, the ellipses, lets you know that this part of the function is able to be continued. So we then click on what is technically string three, which is, and double quotes, space, double quotes. And then lastly, string four, which is fun. And we don't need a space after fun because it's the end of the series of words. So then we just do closing and enter. And now it says Google Sheets is fun with a space in between each word, showing it exactly as it should be written. And another quick little trick here, as you can see, it's spilling out over into G. So what you can do is once you get this sort of little cross area, um, you can either click and drag to fit all of the words into column F, or you can simply have the little cross showing like that and just left click twice. And Google Sheets will sort of adjust the formula to the end of the string that you have in there. So thank you for watching.